These last three videos in Unit 2 will all be about naming compounds. So basically taking the chemical formula like NaCl and converting it to the name of the compound, which is sodium chloride for that example, and vice versa, being able to look at the names and write down the chemical formula. So video 2.9 is all about compounds called binary compounds, meaning they have two parts. So by the end of this video, you should be able to write the name of binary compounds by looking at the formula, and vice versa. Write down the formula by looking at the name. First, though, let's answer this question. What's the difference between an element and a compound? Think about it for a second. Hopefully, you know that elements are things that cannot be broken down. They're the smallest building blocks of the universe. They're those things that are on the periodic table. Compounds have two or more elements that can be broken down by some sort of chemical change. So some sort of chemical reaction can break apart the two or more elements that are in a compound. When we talk and look more closely at elements, we need to define the term ion. Ions are elements that have a charge. You should have a list in your reference table of all the different ions that has the specific charges for each element. Each element has its own specific charge. It does not change, it does not vary. They are set for all the elements. Certain elements are positive, meaning they have a positive charge. They are called cations.